Note that for mirror knitters, left crosses will lean to the right, and vice versa. To work a left-leaning cable without a cable needle, we'll slip all stitches through the back loops. Slip 3 stitches together through the back loops, as if to purl through the back loop. Transfer 2 stitches back to the holding needle through the back loop, untwisting them. Transfer 1 stitch back to the holding needle through the back loop, untwisting it. Purl 1, then knit 2. To work a right-leaning cable without a cable needle, we'll slip stitches through the front loop. Slip 3 stitches together through the front loop knitwise, as if to knit 3 together. Slip 1 stitch back to the holding needle through the front loop. Slip 2 stitches back to the holding needle through the front loop. Knit 2 and purl 1.